Ever wanted to hit pause on your Venmo account without deleting it completely? Maybe you're taking a break from online spending, or you just want to take a break from the app. You've probably noticed that there isn't a simple deactivate button in the app. That's because Venmo doesn't actually offer a temporary deactivation option. Now, before you get disappointed, don't worry. There are still some effective ways to achieve a similar result and put your account on ice. Step 1. Remove all personal information. First things first, you'll want to remove all your personal and financial information. This includes any linked bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. Go into your settings, find the payment methods section, and remove each one individually. This is a critical step because it ensures that no one can make transactions from your account, even if they somehow gain access. After that, you'll want to change your password to something complex and unique, then log out of all devices. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for anyone to get back into your account. Step 2. Clear your balance and turn off friends. Next, if you have any money left in your Venmo account, you'll need to transfer it to your bank. A zero balance is a great way to ensure no one can send or receive money. While you're at it, you can also go into your settings and change your default privacy setting to private. This means any future transactions you make will only be visible to you and the person you're paying. You can also manually adjust the privacy of past transactions. You might also want to turn off the friend feature. While you can't officially unfollow everyone at once, you can make your account less active by adjusting your privacy settings. Step 3. Delete the app and clear notifications. Lastly, the simplest and most effective way to take a break is to delete the app from your phone. This may seem obvious, but it's the best way to stop using Venmo and prevent any accidental transactions. You can also turn off notifications in your phone settings to prevent alerts from coming through. So, while there's no magic button to deactivate your Venmo account temporarily, by taking these 3 simple steps, removing your financial info, clearing your balance, and deleting the app, you can effectively put your account on pause. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.